Well, it's the end of the year and we are finishing it off in style and sparkle. You just heard that discussion on lab-grown diamonds. Now, whether they're lab-grown or natural, you need to embed them in some precious metal. And those metals have been driving everybody really up and down all over the place. Let's go to Manisha now. Manisha, my goodness, again, 7% down, 5% lower, then 7% higher. What's the latest now?
This is not looking like an year-end at all, the way the markets are moving. But just because you were talking about the diamonds there, if you look at the natural diamonds, the smaller category, that prices have declined by 10% in this year. And the lab-grown prices have declined by 22% in this year. Is the reason people are not buying so much gold and silver, but they are buying studded jewelry, which has, diamonds of whichever kind into that. But we'll talk about commodities that are actually traded. And I want to start with crude oil prices because this is the only one that has seen a very sharp decline. It's the biggest annual decline since 2020 coming in for the crude oil prices. And we are down by 18% in 2025. 2025 actually is the third straight year that you have seen a negative return come in for the crude oil prices. Well, it is supply glut, which seems to be overweighing the geopolitical tensions in the global markets, and that has kept the prices in check and in the negative there. Now, let's talk about the positives. And yes, today, even as it is 31st of December, you have seen big moves come in for many of these commodities. I'll start with copper, and we are trading at near all-time highs in US, on London Metal Exchange, in Shanghai, and in the Indian markets as well. So when you look at the copper prices, we're up by 45% in 2025, and this is the best annual gain that you have seen since 2009 come in for copper. Take a look at aluminum, and that one is trading at a 3-year highs. We have seen 17% of gains come in for aluminum in this year. Zinc is up at a 1-year highs, and 5% of gains is what it's given you in 2025. Let's talk about the precious metal prices now. And well, yes, the CME margin hikes do kick in today after business hours, so that they come in force from 1st of January. So it's not really going to be a holiday because you will see big price moves continuing there. Silver is up 162% in this year, best annual gain since 1979. Gold is up 66% in this year, 53 record highs in this year, and the best year that we've seen since 1979 as well. Take a look at palladium prices. We're trading at a 3-year highs onto this one and 73% gains here. Platinum prices have hit all-time highs in this year, and we are trading with 123% gains in sense of platinum as well. I mean, show me in equity markets and other asset classes, and you haven't seen that kind of a move come in the way we've seen in precious metals there. I also want to talk to you about soft commodities, and they haven't done well, and it's the reason that you weren't worried about the inflation part of it, because rice is trading near 8-year lows in the international markets. It's a 32% of a decline. Cotton is trading at a 2-month highs, but with the kind the year has gone by with higher surpluses in major producing countries, it's down by 6%. You have rubber, which is trading at an 8-month highs currently, but that also has seen a 7% decline in this year till time. And then the declines just about continue, because when you look at the sugar prices, well, that is trading at 2021 lows, and we have seen 23% of a decline come in for the sugar prices. Soybean is the only one trading on the higher side there. But when you look at the coffee prices, we also have seen a very erratic year, but 10% of gains in coffee is how we're closing this year. So that perhaps is what your leeway is from 31st December to 1st Jan.
It's not bad. In diamonds down 10%, coffee up 10%. I think we can deal with it. But yes, the precious metals rally has been the one that's absolutely breathtaking. Thank you for that, Manisha.